Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's been generating buzz in the anti-aging skincare world, the Emepelle Night Cream with MEP Technology. It comes in a 1.7-ounce jar and is designed specifically to target those fine lines and wrinkles that tend to show up as we age. This is a skin repair cream formulated for adults, featuring a unique blend of peptides and retinoids. So let's unpack what this cream really offers and whether it deserves a spot on your nightstand. The Emepelle Night Cream is all about leveraging MEP Technology, which stands for Mitochondrial Energizing Peptides. That might sound complex, but simply put, this technology aims to boost your skin's natural repair mechanisms at a cellular level. The formula combines peptides, known for their collagen-boosting and firming effects, with retinoids, which are celebrated for promoting cell turnover and smoothing skin texture. Together, these ingredients work to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while supporting overall skin rejuvenation. The cream itself has a rich, creamy texture that's meant to hydrate deeply overnight without feeling greasy or heavy. In my experience, adding this night cream to my routine was straightforward. It absorbs nicely without leaving any residue, which is always a plus for overnight products. I tested it over several weeks, focusing on how my skin felt and looked the next morning. What stood out was how supple and nourished my skin appeared, with a noticeable softness around areas prone to fine lines, especially the eyes and mouth. It's gentle enough to be used nightly, even for those with sensitive skin, which is impressive given the inclusion of retinoids, typically known for causing irritation. However, I did find that the scent is subtle but present, so if you're sensitive to fragrance, that might be something to consider. Also, the jar packaging means you need to be mindful about hygiene and using clean fingers or a spatula to avoid contamination. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the combination of peptides and retinoids in one formula is a big win. It feels nourishing yet lightweight, and my skin definitely looked brighter and more even after consistent use. The MEP technology adds an innovative edge, targeting skin aging at its roots. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher side for a 1.7-ounce cream, which might be a barrier for some. Also, the jar packaging isn't the most sanitary option compared to airless pumps, especially for skincare targeting delicate skin around the eyes. If you're wondering about value for money, this cream stands out because of its patented MEP technology and scientifically backed ingredients. For those serious about addressing early signs of aging with a multifunctional formula, it offers strong performance. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other retinoid or peptide creams available that may not have the mitochondrial focus, but still deliver solid results at a lower price point. In comparison to other night creams that combine peptides and retinoids, Emepelle holds its ground well. Its unique selling point is really that MEP technology, which differentiates it from generic anti-aging creams. Many products either focus on peptides or retinoids separately, but this one tries to optimize both pathways simultaneously. Packaging could be improved, but overall, it performs comparably or better than similarly priced competitors. The packaging feels premium, and the jar is sturdy, but as mentioned, hygiene is a small concern with this type of container. Longevity-wise, the cream lasts well beyond a month of nightly use, given the small amount needed per application. Emepelle is known for responsive customer service, though I haven't had personal interactions. Their reputation suggests they handle inquiries professionally, which is reassuring if you ever need assistance. If you're open to alternatives, some might find brands like The Ordinary or Paula's Choice offer peptide retinoid combos at more accessible prices, though without the specialized MEP technology. These alternatives can work well, but may not provide the same mitochondrial targeting benefit. So here's the final take. Emepelle Night Cream with MEP Technology is a thoughtfully formulated product that combines cutting-edge science with effective ingredients to support skin repair and reduce fine lines. It's especially suited for adults who want a potent yet gentle night cream to boost their anti-aging routine. While the price is a consideration and packaging could be more hygienic, the performance justifies it for those seeking advanced skincare solutions. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to this product in the description box below. If you've tried Emepelle Night Cream, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.